is Tuesday, September 20. Hope you're having a great day.
We have stories and conversations for you in the next 2 minutes. Let's have a company until 10:15 a.m.
Let's start with the headlines. Ateneo rushed by senior high applicants. Last Friday, September 16, 2016 was the last admission for the senior high applicants of Ateneo, and several grade 10 students rushed to the school in order to pass their documents.
That's right, Christian. Last Friday, about 500 grade 10 students gathered at the Ateneo de Manila's main campus to submit their requirements in the application for senior high school next school year. The registration started around 9 o'clock in the morning, and because of the huge number of applicants, the staffs and crews were forced to limit their responses up to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. The following applicants' names and pick-up informations were listed, and each were given a stop for them to present this week as they come back to Ateneo to submit their papers. This registration started on the first week of September and is planned to end this day. But as I said before, because of the huge number of applicants, it was extended up to this week for those who reached the cutoff. Fortunately, there is no casualties recorded at the said big event. And for all the applicants, God bless to you guys and good luck for the upcoming entrance exam.
That is all for today's news.
Stay updated, stay awakened. I am Cristel Bagaduan.
I am CJ Janela.
And this is News Balita. Thank you, everyone.